A new era begins, introducing the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was a time of massive change. It started in the late 1700s and lasted into the 1800s. This period saw the world transition from handmade goods to machine-made products. It was a time of great innovation, especially in Great Britain. The Industrial Revolution is essential to understanding our world today. It brought about new technologies, changed how people lived and worked, and shaped global economies. This essay will explore the key aspects of the Industrial Revolution and its lasting impact. We will delve into its causes, its impact on society, and its global reach. By understanding the Industrial Revolution, we can better understand our modern world. Life before the machines, the world of pre-industrial society. Imagine a world without cars, trains, or telephones. This was the reality for people living before the Industrial Revolution. Life was predominantly rural. Most people lived in small villages and worked on farms. Families grew their food and made their clothes. Work was labor-intensive and done by hand. The pace of life was slower, and change happened gradually over generations. People journeyed on foot or by horse-drawn carts. Communication was limited to word of mouth or handwritten letters. The pre-industrial world was vastly different from the one we know today. The spark of change technology ignites the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was fueled by groundbreaking inventions and technological advancements. It began in the textile industry with innovations like the spinning jenny and the power loom. These inventions dramatically increased the production of cloth. Another pivotal invention was the steam engine. The steam engine provided a new source of power, replacing human and animal labor. This innovation revolutionized transportation and manufacturing. Factories powered by steam engines sprang up, changing the landscape of towns and cities. The development of iron-making techniques and the use of coal as fuel further accelerated industrial growth. These technological advancements marked a turning point in human history, propelling the world towards a new era of industrialization. From fields to factories, a monumental transformation began. The rise of cities and factories marked a new era in human history. The Industrial Revolution triggered a massive shift in population from rural areas to urban centers, forever changing the landscape of society. Factories offered new job opportunities, attracting people from the countryside seeking work and a better life. This mass migration led to the rapid growth of cities like Manchester and London, transforming them into bustling urban hubs. Cities became centers of industry and commerce, drawing in more and more people seeking employment and new opportunities. However, this rapid urbanization also brought significant challenges and hardships. Housing shortages, overcrowding, and poor sanitation became pressing issues in industrial cities, affecting the quality of life for many. The influx of workers led to the development of new social classes, particularly a growing working class concentrated in factories and mills, shaping the social fabric of the time. The conditions in these factories were often harsh and dangerous, leading to social unrest and the rise of labor movements as workers fought for better rights and safer working environments. Section 5. A world transformed, the global impact of industrialization. The Industrial Revolution, while beginning in Great Britain, did not remain confined to its borders. It spread to other parts of Europe, North America, and eventually the world. The demand for raw materials and new markets fueled global trade and colonialism. European powers sought resources and markets for their manufactured goods, leading to the exploitation of colonies in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Industrialized nations gained economic and political power, contributing to a shift in the global balance of power. The Industrial Revolution's impact was far-reaching, shaping the geopolitical landscape of the 19th and 20th centuries. Section 6. The power of coal and steam, key inventions of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was a period of great technological advancement and innovation. Several groundbreaking inventions fueled the Industrial Revolution, transforming industries and societies. These inventions not only changed the way goods were produced, but also had a profound impact on the daily lives of people. One of the most significant was the steam engine. This invention became the driving force behind many industrial processes. Invented by James Watt in the late 18th century, the steam engine provided a reliable and powerful source of energy. It was a game changer, allowing industries to break free from the limitations of water power. Factories could now operate continuously, independent of water sources, leading to increased production and efficiency. This meant that production could be scaled up to meet the growing demands of the market. The steam engine also revolutionized transportation. It enabled the development of new modes of transport that were faster and more reliable. Steamboats and locomotives made travel faster and more efficient, connecting distant regions and facilitating trade. This connectivity was crucial for the expansion of markets and the movement of goods. Another key invention was the cotton gin, created by Eli Whitney. This device had a significant impact on the agricultural sector. This machine simplified the process of removing seeds from cotton, dramatically increasing cotton production. It made cotton a highly profitable crop. The textile industry boomed, and the demand for cotton fueled the growth of slavery in the American South. This had far-reaching social and economic consequences, shaping the history of the region. Section 7. New challenges, new voices, workers, and the rise of labor unions. While the Industrial Revolution brought about significant progress and technological innovation, it also created numerous hardships, especially for the working class, who toiled in these new industrial environments. Factory workers often endured grueling long hours, meager wages, and perilous working conditions that put their health and safety at risk. Child labor was rampant during this era, with very young children working in hazardous conditions in both mines and factories, often for even lower wages than adults. These widespread injustices led to growing social unrest and the emergence of labor unions as a powerful force for change. Workers began to organize collectively, demanding better working conditions, fair wages, and strict limits on child labor to protect the youngest and most vulnerable. Labor unions fought tirelessly for workers' rights, and their efforts played a crucial role in gradually improving the lives of the working class over time, leading to significant social and economic reforms. The struggle for workers' rights continues today, reflecting the lasting legacy of the Industrial Revolution on labor relations and social justice movements, as modern-day workers still rally for fair treatment and equitable conditions in the workplace. Section 8. A legacy of progress and problems, long-term effects of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution left an indelible mark on the world, shaping societies, economies, and the environment. One of the most significant long-term effects was the rise of mass production. Factories could produce goods on a large scale, making them more affordable and accessible to a wider population. This led to a rise in consumerism and a higher standard of living for many. Technological advancements continued, leading to innovations like electricity, the telephone, and the automobile, further transforming societies. However, industrialization also had negative consequences. Pollution from factories and mines contaminated air and water sources. Deforestation and the depletion of natural resources became major concerns. Section 9. Echoes of the Past. The Industrial Revolution's relevance today. Although the Industrial Revolution took place centuries ago, its legacy continues to shape our world. Many of the challenges we face today, such as climate change, income inequality, and globalization, are rooted in the Industrial Revolution. Understanding the historical context of these issues is crucial for finding solutions. The Industrial Revolution also offers valuable lessons about the importance of innovation, adaptability, and social responsibility. As we navigate the challenges of the 21st century, understanding the Industrial Revolution's successes and failures can guide us towards a more sustainable and equitable future. Section 10. A revolution that shaped our world. Final thoughts. The Industrial Revolution was a period of profound transformation that reshaped the world. From technological innovations to social changes and global impact, its influence continues to resonate today. Understanding this pivotal period is crucial for comprehending the complexities of our modern world. The Industrial Revolution's legacy is a reminder of the power of human ingenuity, the importance of social progress, and the enduring need for balance between progress and sustainability. As we move forward, we must learn from the past and strive to create a future that benefits all of humanity.